Alrighty, let's get to it again. So yesterday I have not been too consistent with my videos due to getting a cold. The week before was Apex having their problem as well. So from here I hope everything goes consistently. I have a bit of flu still, so bear with me. Let's analyze what happened yesterday, what's happening right now on the month. This is how I'm taking it step by step, and then we can see the projection for today. I can give a my trade bias, again not financial advice, but yeah, that's what we're going to do. So yeah, let's get to it. So what are we seeing on the monthly? I've just opened now my clean chart so that we get to see clear price action here. Yeah, we have tapped into the 20,000 range, just using futures as a reference, always on terms of price. Time is fine, but price should be used. So we reached 2380. I think this could be the top, or we might have another leg up, but at least for now we're reaching the end of the month. So I'm expecting a bit of a further retracement by Friday. Maybe we might come in around here, in around there. Yeah, let's see. Just at this point I don't know, but monthly is looking like we've had an open high, low, close. We might close anywhere around here, I feel. Yet to be decided. I think Friday will be bearish, so let's put this already in because I just have experience, I guess, with this kind of thing. So expectation, as I'm expecting a bearish Friday, so we just big short on Friday. That's what I'm thinking. As we have a month close, I'm expecting bearish Friday on consumer sentiment. It's just quite general that happens. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing. That's one. Just any thoughts that I have, I just normally jot it down. Why not, right? So what are we seeing right now on the monthly? Yeah, so tapped 2380 on futures, and then aggressive pull back. Yeah, we're at 560 right now, right? So weekly, yesterday what were we trailing in at? Let me just go, I'm just going to do yesterday's, so that because I'm not going to analyze the monthly and weekly as per yesterday's. So we opened the week. Let me just annotate that. Weekly open. So much junk on my charts. The 1 hour always gives me the best time frame. Like, it's such a solid time frame to work off. So Friday, Monday, 1 o'clock, right? So where did we open? So we opened up, our opening price for the week this week was 19,743. all right, so I think we'll have heavy movements between tomorrow to Friday because it's a more news heavy week. So we might just push up today, in my opinion. We might go to 680, might go to even touch 720, yeah, and then I'm thinking we reverse from there. Let's put that down. I'm expecting price to manipulate up before we start dropping on the heavy news days. Perfect. What's next? Weekly open at 19 19,743. If we see anything above 19,743, I'm looking for shorts. Honestly, I think we could even just bolster up today and hit 19,860. Take out all these low swings, yeah, get into this fair value gap, and then from there knock down from the next few days. It's a very high possibility. Yesterday we took a lot of sell side liquidity. We took all the sell side liquidity, we dropped into this fair value gap. So all this is cleared. We have taken this double, what do you call this, double bottom or whatever you call it. Yeah, there we go. We have further sell side liquidity to tap. We have more sell side liquidity to tap here. And my projection overall on the big AMD is at 922, so we most probably are going to see 19,280 to 19,290 to be tapped in this week. Again, it's all about time and price, right? So that's price, that takes care of the price. What about the time element? Because we are so early in the week, it's still Tuesday, we could see one more fake out, take all this liquidity line here, 1 2 3 4, at least this two needs to be taken out. We might see 76 here in and around there and then drop, or we could just go up and take till 825. Anything is possible. I'm just going to wait and see what price is showing and then take it. I'm not going to, this was me 2 years ago basically. I would be it's like, okay fine, we've hit 60, why are we not going down to target? So I start shorting here, I'm losing money, and market keeps going up against me. Then I've lost so much, the week has been messed up, and then we go for Thursday, Friday, we start rolling down. Experience again plays a very big thing. Screen time, chart time, intense. It just is the main thing. So anyway, time frame by time frame, weekly, what are we showing on the weekly at this point? Let me just go on the clean chart. So we have our open in at around here. Open, high, low, close, open is around here, yeah. So we opened, I'm going to look at, yeah, so opened, I'm going to be doing both yesterday and today's analysis. I just was a bit slacking yesterday. Opened week at 19,743. What else do we see on the weekly? We have, I need to stop making it bold. Here we go. Next, open week at this. I'm just going to jot down all my expectations together, just apart from the weekly. So I don't know if you guys can see my screen. I don't think so, of where I'm writing it down. But we've taken last week's low at 19,625. Taken last week's low at 19,625. Easy low hanging fruit. We have a indecisive. So basically what happened last week, see, there's buying pressure, selling pressure, so at the end buyers and sellers are quite at equilibrium. So indecisive, equilibrium, candle on the weekly for week of 27th of what, 21st, I think that was where we ended last week. Cool. What else have we got? We have a nice look at all that fair value gap. Look, I absolutely think we're going to tap into this area. That's a balanced price range as per ICT's concepts, so we're definitely looking at this. This is my target for the week. Look how easy it is to frame a target. So what we might do this week, let's see how we open. We have opened like this, right? I'm just going to look at my market profiles, right? Profiles. I think it's such an important thing to have this profiles just in and around to see. So classic cell template, right? We're looking at a classic cell template. What did we see? We drop, oh go away, shit. Classic cell template. Yeah, I'm expecting something like on this realms. So we have dropped, I'm looking at something like this. Basically, I'm going to just share this here so that people, you guys, if you look at my videos, I guess there's no viewers here, but I'm sharing gold over here. Like honestly, it's taken me so much shit to get here. Here we go. There, right? I'm expecting that's what we have done. Now I'm expecting this manipulation here. I'm expecting this to happen, and then Thursday, Friday, when it's Thursday, Friday, we create the high of the week either today or tomorrow, and then we roll down. That's my expectation. I am quite keen on it. I'm just going to take a snippet of this and put that in my PDF, because that's my overall weekly projection from here. That's my kind of, yeah. If we get it, that's a solid move. A lot of money to be made. Honestly, let's make it happen. What else have we got here? So weekly. I'm going to just put this profile so it's in my mind throughout the week. That's my aim. Weekly opening, that's great, but what does that signify? We need to signify everything we write. We need to have signification behind that, right? So next thing we need is my weekly target for a bear week. Shut up. What are you doing, stupid laptop? There. Nice. My weekly target for a bear week is, come on, in and around the BPR balance price range, 119, 115, around 19,115 balance price range. If I take this short, honestly, it's a lot of money to be made, especially if I get it from 19,820 around there all the way there. That's almost £1,000, 1,000 pip week. You do it at 5 lots, you just made £5,000, honestly, guys. What's next? See, this is why I do my analysis. I struggled with this. I don't know why I was being lazy, but I was not doing my analysis, not having proper guidance, not having clear direction on what's going to happen. But once I've got acquainted to these concepts, it's made life so much easier. Honestly, guys, check out T-Trade's channel. It's a really good channel. He has amazing information. He's sort of learned from MMXM or something like that and condensed it quite well. Yeah, but I'm just trying to build my cash flow portfolio before I do any further investments at this point, because I blew up a lot of money when I started this. What's next? What are we seeing on the weekly? Anything else? I don't signify anything. The weekly is not signifying anything else for me at this point. Okay, fine. I don't see anything much on the weekly from here. Yep, that's it. Now we look for the daily. 3 day. Okay, so 3 days has been bearish. Look at that. It's okay. That's cool. It's good. We write this down. 3. Oh, come on. 3 day has been bearish, taking out previous, engulfing. Let's not use taking out. It's literally engulfing the previous 3 days possible bearish sentiment. We're looking at the new 3-day candle opening. Please give me a second. Again, yeah, this is for my own analysis. Feel free to take on board whatever you want, but it's not for like entertain. It's not for like giving it a professional outlook, I guess. It's more of just my analysis, what I'm thinking, where I'm going. It has golden, absolute golden nuggets. Where are we at? Okay, so look, we've taken this out, right? I am expecting first of all this to be taken, yeah? 19450, what? 19458. As you can see, the flow is still there. 19458 is low hanging fruit, considering we are at 19566. Again, time price, remember that. So what do we see here? We look at that. Do you see that imbalance over there? So market is likely to come back at some point to 19962. 19962 is a definite guarantee at some point. No jokes about it. What are we seeing here? High range, high time frame order block liquidity. There we go. I'm still sharpening every single day. I think this will take, for me to become a real expert, it'll take me another 1 or 2 years. But I'm going to become the master of this game, and honestly, I'm going to become the best at this game. Nobody else. And I want to also do many other things, but definitely I want to become a king in this game. Yeah, what else do we got? Here we see this another imbalance, so I would just wait. From my experience, I was seeing market reacting in around 657 and then 80. So we wait, and then 720 and 760. All these are areas market could shoot for. I hope we have a bullish day today, because that's just going to make my short so much sweeter when I get it in. What's up? What else? 3 days. Where are we on the daily now? The daily, which is my main focus, right? Okay, daily focus. This is low hanging fruit. Definitely, I think we could just go down today because of how bearish this candle is. It would shock me if we just go back up, but it's always a possibility. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's see. We could go to 19420 and then rise. Daily expectation is surpass the manipulate before I start dropping. That's fine. I'm okay with that bias, but we could don't be too opinionated on it. We all could drop into the fair value gap before longs So we could see something like this ideally, path detector. So we go from here 92, we go down into 420. Where's 420? Yeah, in, and then straight up into 680 and around there. Then we go in, and then around there. This is what I'm seeing by Friday. I'm seeing something like this by Friday. This is the pattern I'm seeing. So what have we seen? Again, drawing mode. Okay, fine. So what have we seen? We started the week here, right? Okay, we started the week here. There. Why doesn't it just want to go? Okay, fine. Then we dropped here. I'm just going to redraw it to be fair, it's irritating me. Okay, so we have this. We have this. Could have that. Then we go back up. Take all this out. 6, 7, 8. Then tomorrow we have something like this, this by, then we have this, and we further have that. This is what I'm seeing. That's the pattern I'm seeing. Again, let's just put a screenshot of this. This is what I'm expecting. Could be somewhere in this likes, but it doesn't have to be 100%. So yeah, I'm expecting a drop first, to just make entire shorts to come in today, and then around this 420 level, the market just reverses full time and clears out all shorts. It takes out all those low resistance liquidity points that I showed earlier on this video, and yeah, we continue that way. So what are we seeing? Because previous day is so bullish, I'm expecting this low hanging fruit to just get taken first. That's just my humble opinion at this point. We could okay, what's next? 12 hour. So yeah, 12 hour is showing quite a bit of bearishness. Here we go. Yeah, we could just, as I said, tap and go back up. Completely reverse this candle, almost 80% in and around. Are we seeing any volume imbalance here? No, there isn't. I'm seeing just this coming in. Like, there's so much liquidity here built in that we are just likely to bolster in there. So 12 hour is lining up well with daily expectation. I'm looking at the 4 hour right now, and yeah, we could just go dip into the thing and then go back up, so we get another big short candle, fake out, and then go back up. There is a sell side liquidity that I have marked out at 19 something, so let's see where that is. What I should start time framing it. Ideally on the 30-minute, I guess. Old man Joe. Okay, so 12 hours lining with the expectation. What else? What is the 8 hours saying? I prefer looking at all these time frames, because you never know, sometimes you just miss stuff on the smaller time frames, and because I'm in my own zone at this point, I can do this. But ideally when I'm looking at the market, it's just daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours if I get a chance, but not very likely. Then yeah, 30-minute and 15-minute, 5-minute, 1 minute, that's what I look at. But yeah, it gives you a bit more context when you're in and around this. So we could tap into this order block. I can see this order block here, so let's just mark it out as text 8R order block. Six hour, nothing there. 4 hour, there we go. 4 hours very much lining. 4 hour and 8 hour. Yep, 8 hour and 4 hour. Order block. With 4R. So did I yesterday's expectation? So what did we see? I have to also do, I forgot that I have to do yesterday's analysis as well, right? So yesterday we dripped. Let's go. So control B, took out multiple sell side liquidities. So 2 days. We took out multiple sell side liquidities. Multiple sell side liquidities. And taking out for 19,471 as well, including main one 19,471. Cool. When we have a stop on either tomorrow or day after, I'm expecting 19,342 to be a key resistance as the mean encroachment of this big wick. Fine. It's also lining up with this. As you guys can see, I'm so sick. I'm just going to keep the daily candle quite at a bird's eye view today because I see that playing a very key part of my strategy. 12-hour, 8-hour. So 8, as we can see, there's giving this bullish time frame over here. We have the mean encroachment of this. I just want, because let's just look at it. We could have a stopping point in and around here, 636. Yeah, I would say we would stop there and then possibly go higher or get rejected. So yeah, I'm just keeping that out as a place where price may react from. Let's put it on the 4. Yeah. Mean encroachment of the wick on the 4 and 8-hour. Lovely. What's next? On the 4-hour. Yeah, okay, that's fine. What do we got here? We have these order blocks sitting here. No, it doesn't. It's outlined in this. Good. As I said, we're going to tap into that at some point. Well, these are failure swings, so again, I'm just going to keep these as liquidity levels. 1. It's on my. Oh, why am I doing this on my clean chart? I have to do this on my dirty chart. I'm so dumb. 4-hour. Let's just copy paste basically. And so this is taken. We're happy to close that off. This indicator is quite annoying. Nice. Okay, so we have 19,635, right? Copy paste. Control C. Oh, lovely. Did it just go on where I want? Oh, lovely. That's amazing. Here we go. What else we got here? Control C. Sell-side liquidity, sell-side liquidity, 4-hour. Clone again, this is equal high, so there we go. And if we go further, 1, 2 are there, but I don't think we'll go that far. Again, let's just keep it though below. Daily high. Yeah, daily high has been perfectly and efficiently been drawn out. Luckily, I don't know how that happened. Asia open. We will need Asia open in here. New York open. 130. I have to frame those on the lower time frames. Yeah, so 12-hour. We're continuing up. Let's go back to our clean chart. We're going to go into this fair value gap definitely. So I can see for the day, just go push and then push back up. It would be very possible. Let's get a very long wick in to this sell side liquidity, then rush up. Possible. 2 hour. What are we seeing on the 2 hour? 89 is very possible. Look at this SAR. So once the SAR started forming, SAR is quite a good tool because it just gives you quite a bit of the trend I see in my eyes. So it's still trending and we're about to tap that. If I start seeing another SAR form, it's a possible rejection spot. It's reducing so much changing. Let's go out on the 2 hour. I'm not seeing anything crazy that is possible. Okay, so the good thing with the 1 hour, look at that, we have crossed above the 1 hour EMA, right? Wait, I just want to quickly go through what happened yesterday more than anything before I move forward. So yesterday it's bearish, bearish, bearish. Look at that. We're not expecting, it's a more parallel channel kind of thing happening. More parallel channel thing happening. 8 hour order block down in here, so I'm just going to map that out, and plus it's in line with the mean encroachment, so in honestly expecting this to happen here. We just break in and then break back up. Might be a lot of money to be made here, I see, at least in my eyes. I'm just going to mark it off. And I might even go here, so, but yeah, I'm just going to take profits at this point. I wouldn't look more than that, honestly. How much more money do you want to make? That. Anywhere in and around here, to be fair, I'll just start looking to get rid of my position. I'm expecting this, so we go up, we tap back down, now we rise and bolster back up. So by tomorrow we go in, Wednesday, around Thursday we start rolling back down and go down. That's what I'm expecting. If you guys take that, you just made a lot of money if it happens exactly what I said right now. But let's see, we have these liquidity taken, we have sell side liquidity here. That easy. Now this is my favorite time frame. This is where I start focusing a bit more. But what am I doing? I was meant to be analyzing yesterday and I'm analyzing today. What's wrong with me? So 4 hours. What did we see yesterday? This Friday in Asia. I guess we might not take it too deep if we see something, but yeah. 2 hour. In order block, tap, tap. So these are all areas we should see price react from as we move forward. As you see, it just tapped into this order block and back down, right? So now I'm expecting either we go down and up or we just start moving up. Either way, one or the other. I'll just mark off all these order blocks so that we are keen and in sync. As you guys can see, it takes so much effort to just look at everything sometimes. Sorry. Yeah, center. Why did that show up? Too many sometimes PD arrays, so you just need to be careful. I just mark them, and then when I'm trading, I'm like, okay, fine. What is price action showing at this particular point, and then we see if it's. Okay, fine. Let's see. I'm just going to continue this. I've not done yesterday's analysis. Good. Let's look at today at least, right? 4 hour. I'm just going to put this all on the expectation for today, and then we can analyze at the end of the day. Expectation. Anything which has a bit more of like can you believe if you get this spot on and nailed, you don't have to work for nobody? That the second I saw that, I'm like, shit, this is what I need to do. I can't work for people. I just can't. I have had this issue against authority and like having someone telling me what to do since I was a child. Struggled with it, always will, with people telling me what to do. I hate it. 1 hour. It's just that I came from a shitty background that I had to do my first job, and I was absolutely homeless without a thing to eat, literally broke as fuck. Anyway, I love this with my life, and I'm going to become the best at it. It's like a puzzle, it's like a game. You have to just try and become the best in it, right? Okay. What are we seeing? Helpless, yeah. Areas we could react from, right? So, this is a nice volume imbalance here. Most likely going to go here somewhere. I'll just be careful in and around this area. I'm not going to be too aggressive. Wait for a bigger move. That's what I would do always. I know sometimes just getting used to the feeling of like not going to work and putting in that crazy amount of, wasting your whole life and day. It feels a bit weird. Just sitting here at times and just not acting. It feels like you're not doing anything, like nothing productive like all these other guys. But honestly, if you get this nailed, you just make $200-$300-$400 in a day. Why the heck do you want to go and work for any of these mutton heads? Next, let's see. I just want to become so good at this and then feel free. And trust me, when you get that trade in, you smash it in, you feel so great after that. you feel it gives such a good sense of satisfaction. Here this is just liquidity line. There are many points that price could react from, so in my humblest opinion, there's no trade if there is no trade. Like, what I would do is I would wait for price to start reacting from here and maybe go down. We could see that again, so just wait for what price is saying. There's no trade right now in my opinion. I'm going to wait peacefully. As you can see, this daily region prices reacted from heavily. Am I doing again on the clean chart? Unfortunately I am, which is typical Rishi fashion. Okay, I need to now just copy paste all this into my main chart here. There we go, it's 677. Okay, now let's try and frame the daily profile. Oh, my back, man. This is all for analysis later, post-market analysis. So this is my pre-market analysis. Let's just see. We have to do pre and post, I don't care. As much as I want to do gold today, I just don't have the time. I need to focus on one thing at a time. Once we start becoming more consistent with this kind of analysis, we can add gold into our arsenal. Are we seeing a breaker, by the way? High, low, low, high, low, low, high, high, low, high, low, low. This could just be a whole breaker block, to be fair. Tap into anywhere here and then go back up. Anything is possible. We just need to be careful. That's it. Just be so keen and attentive to directional price. I will get better with time. It's not going to be overnight. That's it. I would say I'm quite good and experienced, but still always room to improve to become the freaking best. Legit. I'm not gonna come that good. This could just dump. This could be a really tricky price day where it just goes, shoots down and then goes up. I've seen that kind of shit happen before. Getting a physio session after this between 11 and 1. Yeah, so what are we seeing on the daily? So we've had open low. Okay, let's mark out the date and time. So New York open, let's go into the 5 minute. 15 minute is also equally okay. So what do we got here? 1:30. We have New York midterm. I would say today is a day where you trade a bit late in the day. Again, from experience, you have to wait. That's it. Just a waiting game. Majority of it is just patience. See, you see how nicely that New York open candle has created that body. So we most probably might tap into that. 526. New York open. We don't have that value yet. Asia open. Asia opened here. So we're above Asia, so we're at a premium. Yep, we're at a premium. What's our dealing range? So, okay, fine. We have displacement over here, so we have displacement over there. Tap in and go up, take out this liquidity in my eyes. So, displacement, I'll just put here text. Shift, delete. I'm just expecting market to tap in and go there, or to just go, as I said, it could, or we could just see from here, dang, and then back up. You have to just watch. You have to be watching. Watching is key. Market watching. I'm just not going to bother with this session because then you get tired. You want to be fresh when New York session hits properly. I want to be fresh for New York today. Can just capture like a good 100 points, 200 points, yes, what else do you want? So what now, this is where I add in the session boxes. So we have Asia going up. London takes up Asia. This is a broadening formation. We might be seeing a broadening formation. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, if we see a broadening formation, it is lining up with my projections. Destroy it off. Look at that. If we're getting broadening formation, it's brilliant. Yeah, we could be getting a lot of information here. Yeah. At the mean of this area. At the mean of this area. Look at how much this is lining up with this. Anyway, thanks. I appreciate everyone who's joined in. It's a very long one, but I've actually done my best to get this to my level best. And let's see what happens now. We could, again, to summarize before I close this, right? What else we got? This is an expectation. So we have market structure shift with displacement, observing broadening formation, likely bullish unless we get a fake out to 19420. But this is timing, look at that, what time? Oh no, the timing. A lot of sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity here. Why have I drawn this? Again, why am I drawing this? So it's a high time frame fair value gap. Please, can we draw our shit in here? There we go. So right for our fair value gap, my friend. Just let's not keep any ambiguity on the charts. For our fair value gap. Let's just see how market reacts. So yeah, you have many things going on, but you frame your setup on the 5 minute, on the 10 minute, on the 15 minute, but we have all these large time frame PDA arrays mentioned in here. So we could see this and then just drop like a rock, and if I would take that, sorted, absolutely sorted. Anyway, I'll see market analysis later. At this point, I am done for now. I have done my analysis. I'm just waiting for what market does during the New York session. I'm waiting to see what New York does now. New York should be fun today. Let's go. I'm going to keep my other screens open, but yeah, thanks for tuning in.